Yo, what is going on, guys? So 3 months ago, I bought this red Lexus Sc300 behind me for $600. And yeah, it's a 5-speed manual. I know I said that a bunch of times, but no soon after I bought this car, I probably made one of the most expensive purchases that you can for a Lexus Sc300, and it literally took 3 months to arrive. And that's because it was made to order. So what I'm gonna do here is I wanna show you what I am talking about here. Take a look at this. This right here is a Blitz Nur Spec exhaust for the Lexus Sc300. It's a full 3-inch single exit exhaust. I'm a big fan of the single exit versus the dual exit setup. And anyways, what's so special about this exhaust? Well, according to the community, this is what many say is the best sounding exhaust you can put on your Lexus Sc300. Now, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that's what I read. So we're gonna find that. We're gonna find out, sorry. We're gonna find out, we're gonna put this to the test. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Now, I mentioned earlier that this took literally, I was given a 8 to 12 week window. It took about 13 weeks for it to arrive to my front doorstep. And that's because these exhausts are no longer in stock anywhere. They're made to order and they're very hard to come across. In fact, if you do a Google search right now on Lexus Sc300 exhaust, mostly what you'll find that's available right now is stuff like what I have on the car right now. Just an eBay exhaust, and there's nothing wrong with it, you know. I think this is a 2¼ inch exhaust, but we can do a little bit better than that. So right now, what I'm getting ready to do is I already have the car jacked up in the air. I'm gonna go slide underneath this car, and I'm gonna disconnect the cat back exhaust, and I'm just gonna unbolt everything. Then I'm gonna lower the front of the car down, move the back of the car up on some ramps, jack it up a little bit higher. And I'm gonna just drop that exhaust one piece, slide it out, and then we're gonna put this exhaust in and get some nice, beautiful sound clips to hear for ourselves what it sounds like. So I'm gonna set this camera down and we'll go ahead, sorry for all the movement, but we'll go ahead and we'll jump right in. All right. All right, so we got the back of the car up in the air. Now, I just kind of wanted to show you guys this. Hopefully you can get an idea, but these rubber hangers sometimes can be a pain to get off. So sometimes you can spray something in there, some sort of jizz or anything to lubricate this to help you. But what I like to do is grab some sort of you know, pliers or vise or something, and you know, it helps to pop these out a lot easier. So there it goes, just like that. So I'm not gonna take it all the way out. Probably gonna do these back ones last, but just wanted to show you there's always an easy way to do things. So I'm gonna fiddle around with the rest of this exhaust and drop it all in one piece, slide it out, and we'll take a look at what it looks like. All right, so here it is. Came off pretty easily. You don't have to do it the way I just did it, like as far as exhaust removal goes. If you don't feel like taking the long way, which is unbolting the exhaust in all these different sections, like back there and up here, which is honestly not that bad. It's like one, two, look like six bolts total. But you know, I didn't feel like dealing with that. So exhaust came off fairly easy. So right now, let's go over and examine this. Examine this section. So that's the what goes after the mid pipe, and then this is the cat. So it's just two pieces, pretty straightforward. So let's set this camera down, and yeah, let's put this thing on so we can hear what it sounds like. All right. All right, yo, so I just got the exhaust put in, and I'm actually looking at it for the first time. Depending on what you guys saw, you guys probably have an idea. You guys got an early glimpse before I did, but wow, man, this is this is like, what a night and day difference, man. Oh man, yo, let me just show you guys what I'm looking at here. This looks a million times better. I mean, ignore the dirtiness on the car. The car is filthy. I can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like. Install was very straightforward. I mean, if you're taking your sweet time, you could probably do this in under an hour. Let's go ahead and let's give this thing a quick cold start. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Oh man. Man, I hope it sounds as good on, I hope the camera did a good job of picking that up, because there's a night and day difference between this exhaust and that exhaust. If you guys forgot what that exhaust sounds like, here's what it sounds like. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for the rest of this video. If you guys like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you guys have questions. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.